What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a Cybertruck that's getting wrapped in this really nice 3M 2080 gloss black. So I would really recommend going with 3M 2080 as your gloss black film, is because they give you this like top layer and it's removable. So if you're planning on wrapping a Cybertruck or any truck or even a sedan, coupe, doesn't matter what it is, if you're using 3M 2080 gloss black, you're gonna have this top film. You finish removing, basically remove it, hard to do with one hand, but yeah, it gets rid of all the little squeegee marks, scratches, everything. This car is relatively big and most of the stuff that you see on this car are like this, like aluminum, you know, the stainless steel, I guess it is. It's very weird looking though. Never wrapped a Cybertruck, but it shouldn't be that difficult. I think this should be like the easiest Tesla ever to wrap, in my opinion. So yeah, a lot of it's going to be gloss black, so you really want to make sure that all the scratches are not going to be visible on this car. You want it to look really nice, glossy black. So basically, this is going to be a pretty straightforward video for you guys. What I'm doing first, before I start wrapping, I'm going to remove these arches, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and the side mirror. The doors don't even have the door handles built into them like Model 3, Model Y, Model X. You know, you gotta like precisely cut around. Over here, you basically got the button right here and right here. So it's gonna be a very straightforward video for you guys. So let's get to it. All right, guys, ended up finishing up already the whole front end, the whole side. And there's 2 things that I want to point out when you're wrapping a Cybertruck. One of which is basically when you're wrapping, make sure you fold in really nicely and then cut. Don't make this part show silver because it's gonna kind of look weird a little bit. Also, actually there's 3 things I want to show you guys. Second one is going to be basically, they make it so easy to take off this mirror. You basically pop this grommet open, then you got these 3 bolts and you can take off the mirror. Other cars, you got to remove the whole door panel, so that's pretty cool. Also, you guys, if you're going to be working on a Cybertruck and you're wondering, is it worth going the extra mile in terms of disassembling the whole fender flare, which is this part and the piece that's behind it, I would recommend it because I messed up the first row. This is the second row with nothing being on here. And it's very easy to remove this part. Basically, you remove the fender flares on both rear and front. And then behind the fender flares, you got this part right here, which is secured by these bolts right here. And they're very easy to remove. Took me for the front like a minute and a half. That is with a drill. And same for the back, and then the reversal procedure to put it back on. But you know, the extra mile you go in terms of quality work, it's gonna look so much nicer. And so yeah, don't be like me, messing up and then realizing, oh shit, like I actually got to remove it. Reason why I removed is because crease marks were starting to show right here. And you know, it's Cali, it's hot right now, it's summer, so yeah, I'm working with gloss black, which, you know how it is with heat. It doesn't really like heat, it likes to leave these crease marks. So anyways, got this whole site finished. Unbelievable. I'm literally gonna finish this car in like 2 days. 2 days. I could finish it in 1 day if I really try, but not really gonna push it. He's gonna pick it up Saturday. It's Wednesday right now. Actually, it's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish it, and then Saturday he's taking it. So yeah, lastly that I'm gonna show you guys is the top layer on this 3M 2080 and why I recommend going with 3M 2080 gloss black. So let's say you basically finished wrapping. I got the top layer right here, and all it really does, and why it's so convenient with the gloss black 3M 2080, is because whenever you finish wrapping, look at this. All the stuff underneath, the squeegee marks, everything, it's basically gone. It's basically gone. And then right here, check this out. Check this out. Like paint. Like paint. Or right here, look at this. Oh yeah, it's just so satisfying. This is why I recommend it. Gloss black by 3M 2080. Obviously I gotta remove it, but you guys get the point. That's why I recommend it. And it's also much easier to work with 3M 2080 than it is with other brands. This is cast material, lasts much longer than calendar film. I mean, you pay and then you get what you pay for. So anyways, let's finish this car and that's it. Well, there you guys have it. All complete. Pretty straightforward car to wrap, any color really. But when you're doing gloss black, don't do it in the heat because you will have crease marks and There's a lot of panels that are gonna have to get wrapped, and you don't wanna mess up getting really close to finishing it up. But anyways, gloss black looks really nice in this car, honestly. I don't like the aluminum. A lot of people don't like it, and so I'm glad, honestly, that they made this car just so easy to wrap. You know, you don't have to remove door panels in the front to remove the side mirrors. A lot of other little things I noticed that you don't need to remove, and these fender flares are easy to remove on clips, and just 10mm screws. Very straightforward, honestly. So if you ever do get a chance to work on this car, you will have a blast, just like I did. So yeah, gloss black by 3M 2080 Cybertruck right here. So that'll be it for this video. I try to make it as informative as possible. I mean, there really isn't much to talk about this car. It's pretty flat all around, and everything's just so much easier to remove than like on other cars. So pinpointed some of the stuff that I would remove, and showed you guys all that stuff. So yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.